We've been talking recently about how to attract a developer, mainly to purchase your property. This is the GCA 5-tip point list to getting it right. Tip 1, investigate what your property is worth. Do your own research in your neighbourhood and compare property sales in and around the surrounding area. It's really important to do that background work. Tip 2, explore your development potential. We're not all trained as design professionals, but kind of observe what's going on around you. Are there any new developments happening in your area that you really like? Understand and try to understand what that means. Contact your local council to find out what zoning applies to your property. Even from a non-planning perspective, you can often get clarity from council to understand those details. And ask if a rezoning application is required before your property can be developed. Number 3, probably one of the most important bits, is talk to your neighbours. Explore whether your neighbours are considering or selling or likely to sell in the near future. Combining multiple individual properties into one large property or parcel of land can significantly increase the overall value of the combined properties. Working collaborative also provides great opportunities to share the benefits and the potential costs relating to the application or applications to council. Number 4, consider other options. Consider the benefits of undertaking a development plan process versus selling via a real estate agent at the upfront. Development plan process with a stamp of approval from council can be extremely appealing to a developer. It can also improve your negotiation capacity. So bailing out early is not often the best way. Final tip, talk to a professional who'll look after your interests. This is not about beating the drum of project management or development strategists, but it is essential to talk to an experienced professional. Experienced professionals in the development industry will not only understand the complexities of the development sector, but will also provide the knowledge and expertise to look after your interest while navigating the pathway to your financial property success.